Hi, I'm Guilhem from Boldo. Let me give you a quick overview of the platform. When you land in Boldo, you see the different layers of your organization, from business capabilities and processes to applications, data, and infrastructure. At the core of everything is the meta model. This is the backbone of your architecture. Here you define the assets you want to model as applications, processes, data, or teams, so you can adapt the model to your organization, not the other way around. Then you choose the properties used to describe them. These properties let you qualify each asset, not just list it. And you're free to define what really matters for your organization. You also define how those assets can be connected with others. By modeling clear and structured relationships, you turn a list of assets into a living architecture that can be explored and understood. Once that's done, everything is ready. Your assets are structured, connected, and easy to explore across Boldo. Now let's jump into the core of Boldo, the inventory. Here we're in the application inventory. You can see all your applications, their properties, and their relationships in one place. Think of it like a structured living Excel, but visual, connected, and easy to maintain. Let's zoom in on a specific asset. For example, CRM sales. On the right, you see all the relationships connecting this CRM to the rest of the system. You can focus on what matters. For example, the data flows going in and out of the CRM to understand how information moves through your application. Back to the 360 view, on the left, you see the asset's health. And from here, you can see all related assets, find where the CRM appears in diagrams, manage access rights and governance, track changes over time, and collaborate through comments directly on the asset. From here, you can edit this asset at any time. You can update its properties so the information always stays up to date. You can also create, modify, or remove relationships. This makes it easy to reflect how the application actually interacts with the rest of the system as things evolve. Once your assets are documented, you can create and save views. Those views let you filter, group, and sort inventory elements. Any view can then be converted into a diagram in one click. This is where storytelling really comes in. You can draw directly on top of your data, just like in tools such as Draw.io or Miro, but with live structured assets underneath. This allows you to build clear storytelling diagrams like this one to explain an ecosystem, a data flow, or an application landscape. With the camera system, these diagrams can be used live during kickoffs, onboarding sessions, or client meetings, helping everyone follow the same story step by step. Let's now move to nested maps, a feature architects really appreciate. Like all views in Boldo, you can choose whether this map lives in your personal space or in a shared space to separate personal draft work from the organization's shared architecture. In this example, we're creating a capability map. The goal is to highlight direct relationships between assets, starting from business capabilities. For each capability, you immediately see which applications and AI agents support it. The same logic works the other way around as well. You could start from infra components and see how everything connects. And at any point, you can edit, enrich, or create new assets. More generally, for any action in Boldo, you can rely on the global search bar. It lets you search for any asset across the organization or trigger actions instantly. For example, from here, I can directly create a new team. And there I can quickly jump back to my CRM sales application. Let's now move to the organization settings. This is where administrators define how the cartography is governed. Here you can define roles and access domains. This allows very fine-grained control over who can view or edit specific domains, asset types, or even individual properties. Boldo also provides detailed usage and activity reports. This makes it easy to track who contributes to the cartography and how teams actually engage with it over time. To accelerate the initial setup, Boldo also provides a CSV import. Finally, Boldo exposes a powerful and fully documented API. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Boldo, You can find us on LinkedIn and YouTube for more product videos and use case. And feel free to visit our website for more information. See you soon!